Hi, my name is Lucy. I'm a qualified baby yoga instructor and we want to show you some moves that are good if your baby is suffering with colic, is really constipated or has lots of trapped gas. So before we start, we're going to make sure the baby is happy and well, and we're only going to take the movements as far as baby wants us to. So to begin, we are going to have a little bounce of these legs and just say relax, relax baby. And we're going to bring the knees up towards the chest and then we're going to circle them round. So knees up towards the chest and circle around. And then one more time, knees up towards the chest and a nice big circle around. So our next move is going to be more of a pumping action with the legs. So one leg after the other. Relax baby, relax. So pumping, one leg after the other. And again, this massages the tummy and just helps the air move around the back. So for our third move, let's try a little bit of bicycling. So more of a circular movement through the hips. Okay, go. And again, this massages the tummy, but also it creates space within the intestines to help release of any trapped gas. Good girl. And then we can try a little bit of marching. So one leg after the other. So a bit like the pumping, but a bit more marchy. Again, this stimulates all the digestive organs, helps with the release of any trapped gas. So a bit of marching, good girl. And then for our last move, we can try and bring baby's toes up towards the nose. We'll try it again. Toes up towards the nose. So again, really, really good for stimulating all the digestive organs. And we can bring those last two moves together in a bit of a song just to help engage baby, make it a bit more fun. So we can go back to our marching and we can sing, "Oh, the grand old Duke of York, he had 10,000 men. He marched them up to the top of the hill and he marched them down again. And when they were up, they were up. And when they were down, they were down. And when they were only halfway up, they were neither up nor down." And a little wiggle of the leggies just to help with that passage of air through the bounce. And a massive well done. Well done, baby, well done.